Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Resetting Bluetooth on your iPhone can fix many pairing issues, but not all. Try toggling Bluetooth off and on, or forget and reconnect the device first. If problems persist, resetting network settings clears all Bluetooth connections and might help. However, if the accessory itself is faulty, resetting Bluetooth won't solve the issue. It's a useful step, but not a guaranteed fix for every accessory.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.